So hello everyone, this is Vansh and welcome back to my channel once again. I hope you all are doing good. So as you all know that I am on a trip to Arizona and there is a city called Scottsdale. So I'm living in a hotel built by Marriott and its name is Westin Resort. I will put the photo over here so you can just see. And so I will give you the tour of my hotel in this video, and the hotel is really massive. Literally, believe me, it's really massive. So just come on, I'll just show you. So you see that that's the building over there, this side. So we'll be covering most of the parts of the hotel as much as we can. And also if you are not following me on Instagram, so do follow me on Instagram for more updates. And do not forget to like this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, more travel vlogs, more informational videos and such videos. So come on, let's go. So guys, we are now right now with the cameraman Ansh and he is shooting the film right now. So come on. This is where you will land as you come here. So this is the main entrance. As you head towards this side, so you will have reception on this side and concierge on this side. So come on. So basically this is the lobby. So here is the reception and on this side there is concierge. So you can see on this side. And this is all lobby. So you can see how long this lobby is. So the sitting area, you will sit on this side. So now we're gonna go downstairs and check out what's there. And also there is one stall right there. So this is for sweets. And this is for coffee. So that's a coffee shop. And there's one more shop right there for clothes. So now we have entered into a library. So that's Ali Shonak library. But the irony is that there's no books. But you will see books after you drink each bottle. So you will start to see books right there. So come on. And there's more seating area on this side. And there is a fountain on that side. Here is the fountain and that's the main bar. So you see right there, that's the main bar. So its name is The Rim and this is the bar area. So would you like some drinks? So that's the bar area. Another fountain right there on both sides of the stairs. So there are two fountains and there's one more shop right there. So that Waltz and Razor. So that's a salon. So this resort has salon in its premises. So that's a very good thing. So now let's go outside and you can see that there is a sitting area on this side as well. And on that area there are rooms. And again on the opposite side of this there are again rooms. So yeah. Now finally we have come out of this building and again there are fountains on both the sides and we have open sitting area all around this place. So you can see there are tables which can accommodate 4 people, and on this side as well we have some tables and there are some sofas as well if you want to chill out more, and there are of course bigger tables as well. So now let's come. So this is the lower floor of this building. So now we have entered into this tabletop fireplace sitting area and here's again one tabletop fireplace sitting area. So if you have not watched this video, so kindly go and watch this video. I have shown that this is a fireplace. This is a table but this is the fireplace. And right there in front of us there is huge pond, and on the boundaries of the pond you can see that's the golf area. So that's golf area. Again there is another golf area and again there is one more golf area. So that stretches from this to this, one from this to this, and one from this to this. And if we see there, so that's another chilling area. Come on, and it's really great. I really love this chilling area place. So you can see the fireplace right there and that's the chilling area. So that whole body or that whole thing is replicated on this side as well. So there are 2 sitting areas. So now let's go and check out the swimming pool. So now we are heading back into the building from where we came. Come on. So on this side of our hotel, so there are rooms that are for business meetings and for special events like weddings and celebrations. Those rooms are very massive, so I cannot go there because I think there is a function going on that side. But you can access it if there is no function or something going on. That's pretty good thing. So I'm not going on this side, but you can see that there is a lobby, and on this side there is a building, and on this side there is another building. So that's how big it is. So now we are going to the swimming pool area. So now there are lifts on this side, and there is one FedEx room. If you have any parcel from FedEx, that delivery boy will drop your box over here. And here we have expedition hall. So come on, now let's go. We are on the way to swimming pool. So this is the exit to our building. Not the exit, but a way to our swimming pool, gym, spa and all. So if you see right there, so these are the things that are here. So now there is a fountain right there, and there is a spa and a gym on this side. Basically in this building there are two swimming pools, okay? So if you see, there is one swimming pool right here. So this swimming pool is basically for adults and larger people, for professional swimming. So basically this is more for training purpose. So if we head towards this side, now you will see another swimming pool area, and that's this. So it has all the rides. It has lazy river, it has slides, it has flow rider, and it has bar which serves you drinks and food. And also the depth in this area is not as much, so this pool is mainly used for enjoyment purposes, okay? And if you see on this side, so there is a building right there, and it's still continuing to go on, and the building ends at that point. So now we are heading towards the sports area, where you will find basketball, tennis, small tennis, where you will find chess and ping pong and stuff for your kids. So now we are at the area which is basically for playing. So you can see there is a chess right there, and the ping ball and the stuff for the children, and then a basketball court is also there, but that's half basketball court. So come on, we have another playing area which is dedicated for basketball and tennis, so which is on this side. So behind me there is a basketball court, a full basketball court, in which there are two small tennis courts, and then there is one additional dedicated tennis court which is adjacent to the basketball court. So this is the playing area. And also guys, if you want to see how was the room, so basically I've uploaded that in this video, so kindly go and watch this video, so you'll be able to know that how the room looks like of this resort. So basically I won't put this in this video because I already did it in this video, so I will be covering just the building and the outside area. So let's come this side. So now you can see how massive the building is. So basically it stretches from that side to there, and even further that you cannot even see because of those trees, so you cannot even see. So that's how massive it is, and it looks so beautiful. It gives a look of something like a fort, the ancient forts which used to be in India. So those are the palm trees which they have covered with the lights, and there is a parking space right there beneath the palm trees, and there's another parking space right here in front of us this side. So that's how massive it is. So guys, that was pretty much it for this video, and there is a lot more to show you around this hotel, but I cannot cover it, firstly because it's night, secondly there is some function and weddings going on in the another side of the building, so I cannot show you that area as well, and thirdly because otherwise the video will become so long, so I don't want to do that. So I'll keep it till here, and that was pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. So if you did, so do make sure to like this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, travel vlogs, informative vlogs, and every vlog. So definitely subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle will be here. I am more active over there, and to be more updated, do follow me on Instagram. So that was pretty much it. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love from California. Right now we are in the Arizona, so love from Arizona, boy from India. Peace.